Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2784th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And boy, are these markets going crazy. This video, 2784th, coming at you for Monday night for trading Monday through Tuesday, August 6th. Through 2024. Please remember how risky this game is. Imagine if you were long up here without a stop and it just kept going and you didn't have a stop in. Boy, would you be having a difficult time speaking to your spouse right now. Put your stops in, put them in first. Never trade without them. Let's get moving. For trading Monday night through Tuesday, let me just say this video is going to be called the 200-Day Moving Average episode. Episode 200-Day Moving Average. Why? Look at what the S&P has done. It broke down through the support line right to the 200-bar moving average. Is the street going to react here or let it go through? I've got a red Omni, so we're selling rallies, but I want to show you that and then check this out. Chart 7, Nasdaq, where'd it go? 200-bar moving average, went through it, came back and settled right next to it. Will Wall Street come in and buy it, or will they let it go again? I've got a red Omni, so I've got to sell rallies with a stop, of course, if we're wrong and Wall Street buys it. But I've got to, I'm going to be selling rallies if I can get a fill. What else is out there? Look at this chart, 19, I believe I left it on. The Russell 2000, where is it at? The 200-bar moving average. It got right to it, got under it, settled above it. What will the street do, kids? What do you think the street is going to do? Do you think they're going to buy it down here or let it continue through? I'd love to hear your answers. In fact, why don't you answer below? Tell me what you think. A, they will buy it. Or B, they will sell through. What do you think will happen? Will they sell it through the 200-bar moving average? B, or will they buy it down here? Let me know what you think. Tell me what your analysis shows you. I do have a red Omni, so I can't be a buyer down here, but that doesn't mean it isn't going to hold. Now, traders, let me go back to a chart for a moment. I want to show you something. This is the time for you to be with the Omni recommendations. If you do not get Omni recommendations, you should sign up. Do you know where the Omni got us short last night? Right here. Right here we got short, the high in the S&P. We were within 2 points of the high of the S&P, took a short fill, and it fell apart. The Omni was right on target. The Omni is exceptional during these insane moves, so you should come to livewithoscar.com and you should absolutely join the Omni so that you can get my trading signals as they're coming out. When the crap hits the fan, the Omni is fantastic. Make sure you're part of this. So there's another chart I want to show you on 12. Let's see, chart 12. The mini Dow, where is it at? The 200-bar moving average. Do you see? That's why this episode is called the 200-bar moving average. Now I'm going to show you one more chart. Let's go here to 18. What do you see? Bitcoin at the 200-bar moving average. Everything has come down that I'm following, that's major, has come down to the 200-bar moving average. Now Wall Street's going to make a serious decision right here. And we, of course, will be part of that. But you see what happened with Bitcoin? It absolutely failed at the do-or-die moment. Came down, went through, filled the gap. Although you don't see a bar filling the gap in futures, right? You'd see a bar here in futures, but you don't see it. But it actually did fill in the overnight market in cash. It went straight down. Futures opened up Sunday night with a gap, but Bitcoin cash actually filled that gap on the way down. So everything sitting at the 200. Tell me what you think, A or B. We'd love to know. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com, and I promise tomorrow night I will get out in front of the camera and I will show you some charts that will calm you down. I promise I will show you some charts in tomorrow night's video that will calm you down. I want to show you what's going on out there, what it looks like is going on, and what should happen. Of course, anything can. That's why we use stops. But let me show you technically what's likely going to happen now that we've had this wonderful pullback. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Remember, take the recommendations, the platinum recommendations, join that service. I will send you flash updates as the market moves, what those look like. If the market is moving, I will send you something that looks like this. It shows up on the Discord channel. You get it in an email. You will get a flash pop window, which looks like this. This is the flash pop. And here's what happens. It will ring. Ding, 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 ding. It'll let you know what I want you to do. If somehow you close this, no big deal, because anything I've said is on Discord and you've received an email. It happens immediately as we're going to trade. That is the platinum service at livewithoscar.com. Simply hit the upgrade button and choose to upgrade, and from there you will receive my platinum recommendations. Good luck out there, traders. Put those stops in first. Sell rallies until the Omni changes to a green. Right now it's red. And remember to keep your emotions out of this game. How do we do that? Say this to yourselves over and over again. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Now, traders, I've got a quick question you may want to comment on. I've had a trader say to me, Oscar, please stop saying stops are in, emotions are out. It's so passe. Nobody wants to hear it. And I think it helps people all over the world remember to put their stops in. Please tell me what you think. Would you like me to continue doing stops are in, emotions are out? Or do you think it's not necessary in these videos? If you care to comment, leave a comment below and I will consider the crowd as a whole if you want me to continue or not. Have a great day, traders. I will be at livewithoscar.com in my trading room. I hope to see you there.